Well, hey everybody, backyard scrapping here, and I've been in the midst of trying to catch up a little bit of my own stuff. I'm actually scrapping out some small boards here. These are actually drive boards and optical drive boards. But anyway, I got a quick mail call to do, or as quick as I can do it, because we have a package from jracat, my buddy George. So I'm actually going to have to clear my desk off because it's a big old box. So we'll be back at you in just a second. Okay, guys, I cleared my desk off, but I'll show you in just a second why that doesn't matter. And we're going to go ahead and get this open. There's like a letter here or a packing slip, so I'm going to see if that's just used for a label, or if there's something in here for me to read. And George, I thank you for this. I think the rods, you told me that he's going to send me some stirring rods, and I think that they are in here. But this is an awful big box for stirring rods. I think this is just an envelope. Yeah, it's just an envelope used for a label. So we'll put that over there. And anyway, we will continue on. And I'll show you in a minute why we moved down to the floor. Alrighty. So, I did get a text from him. I see a Christmas card. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we got that. Let me get this stuff out of the way. My goodness, my friend, what have you done here? I thought I was getting... Oh, pipe cutter! You must have watched my video when I was doing my hot water heater. But that is cool. And I have one of these, not as good as this. This is a good, looks like a real good one, but I couldn't find it. And I still haven't found it. So George, I appreciate that. Hopefully I won't have to use it anytime soon, but you know how that goes. So we'll put this here. He said he sent me a text a while ago when I texted him and asked him if it would be okay if I did a unboxing or a mail call video, and he said sure, and he said there was something in there for Ebony. So Ebony will appreciate that, sir, I am sure. I see something in here that I know is very expensive. I'm assuming that these are the rods. Wow, they're heavy. I'll look at those in a second because I want to see this. He also said that red was for Cheryl, so I've got to give that to Cheryl. Oh man, brother. That is one expensive item right there. Buckner or Bunkner, I don't know how you say it exactly, but I know little ones like I have are quite expensive. So this one has to be ridiculously expensive. Wow, that is something else, my friend. I don't know where you got this or found it, but I really appreciate it. That'll work in one of those big bottles that, the big 4,000 ml flasks that, well, I still call them Man Mountain Link, but Man Mountain Metal sent me a long time ago. That is something else, my friend. Thank you very much. And I will call Cheryl to do her package. That is some electrical box cord to hold the wires. And I am presuming that is all, and believe me, that was more than enough. That funnel is amazing, my friend. So let me get Cheryl to open her package, and I'll get right back at you guys. Okay, guys, I got Cheryl here, and I'm giving her her present.
Yum.
Actually, that's for Eb.
Yeah, I figured.
You figured?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's your present from him.
I'll get that back.
You got to hold it right about there so they can see. Yep. Holy crap!
Oh, wow. Wow.
Is there a note in there?
No. Oh my God. What a blessing. Thank you so much.
Last time I think he sent you something for dinner, or was so that's you're taking me out to dinner, even though we don't go out.
We'll figure it out. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
Well, I appreciate that, George.
Yes.
Thank you. I don't ever give her any money, so here, I'll trade you.
He's lying. He's lying.
Ebony will trade you.
Yeah, I bet. Thank you so much.
Well, you got tears in your eyes?
I got tears in my eyes. You know, it don't take much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that.
Okay, I'll let you go. I know you're going to go in the other room and cry. All right, George, thank you. Here, I'll give you this for Ebony.
I gotta go rub.
And I'm going to get around here for just a second again. I wanted to show you why we had to transfer from the desk. There is Andrew's Next Refine coming up. So we'll be doing a unboxing on that in the next video probably. But I just wanted to show you why this ended up down here. So I'm going to open up these rods. He told me to snap them off. So we're going to see what the... Wow, I didn't expect a box of them either. Goodness sakes, George, you sent a fortune's worth of stuff. Holy cow. That was nice. I appreciate that for Cheryl. Because she, I mean, pretty much since all this COVID crap started, we've been just staying home. And I see how that's done. Oh, I won't run out of stirring rods now. Holy cow. Okie doke, I got it. I get it. I got it. I understand. Cool. And I can just touch those on the grinder too after you snap them off, after I snap them off. My friend, I don't know what to say. I greatly appreciate this. This thing right here, I'm going to have to get I've got the thing to put it in the flask, but I'm going to have to get a vacuum attachment for it. This thing here, I'm telling you, man, those guys, my little ones I paid a lot for. This thing is expensive. Anywho, I'm going to let y'all go. George, once again, thank you so much. Cheryl's in the other room tearing up, so I thank you for that. And guys, I'm going to get on this next refine shortly, which you saw over here. We're going to get that started. And then we got at least another 10 pounds of contacts coming from Jerry. So we're going to be staying pretty busy for the next month or so. Probably 2 months. So guys, anyway, take care. Everybody stay safe out there, and we will see you in the next video.